Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing a Raycast Focus review. Is it actually worth buying? They do have a free plan as well, but if you want to go ahead and see whether it's actually worth upgrading, well, this video is for you. So let's start with what this tool is, right? If you don't know what this tool is, if you have not even tried it for free, it is a productivity tool that is designed to help users stay on task by blocking distractions or apps and websites, as you can see right here. So within this duration, for example, Slack is being blocked, right? And this is integrated into the broader Raycast ecosystem, and it aims to enhance focus through goal-based sessions. Okay? And it has customizable blocking, as you can see right here, and seamless integration with Mac workflows. Was it worth upgrading to Raycast Pro or even, Team Pro for this feature? Let's actually dive in. First, we'll go over the key features of Raycast Focus. Now, they do give you distraction-free work sessions, as you can see right here. So they help you block selected apps and websites during your focus sessions, and they give you subtle reminders when trying to access blocked content, and browser-based blocking with auto restoration of tabs, right? And they do have a lot of customization and flexibility, so you can choose focus duration, like short bus or full work days, and also there's a goal-based approach to reduce context switching. There's the ability to go ahead and snooze or even edit, blocked apps mid-session, so you can actually go ahead and do that. That is a possibility, and there's very, very seamless, Mac integration. Honestly, there's no browser extension needed. It works natively, as a shortcut-based activation for a quick start, and there's a floating focus bar, as you can see right here, for real-time session tracking. There you go. And this will show you a progress bar as well. Let's actually break down the pricing. Okay, so for the free plan, it's $0 a month. You're free to try this, or free, completely free. The features are, they actually give you the core Raycast features, which is, clipboard history, snippets, calculator, things like that. But there's no focus feature. Now with the Pro version, it's actually billed at $8 per month, billed annually, it'll be $96, and it includes Raycast Focus, AI tools, Cloud Sync, and unlimited notes. And if you go for the Team Pro version, this one is $12 per user per month. This one's billed annually, so you get everything in Pro plus shared commands and snippets, quick links, and even a private store. So for users who only need the basic Raycast functionality, the free plan, it remains a solid choice. However, Raycast Focus, it's exclusive to the Pro and Team Pro plans, meaning you'll need to basically upgrade for access, right? And if you do look at the user reviews and community feedback, many users, guys, actually say that Raycast has replaced a Spotlight, for example, and even Alfred. Like, look at this. Most of these guys, look at this. This one replaced Alfred. There's another one here, replaced Spotlight. As you can see, many users praise it for its design, its ease of use, customization, and of course, there's a very, very strong Mac ecosystem integration. It makes it feel more native. And some things like the clipboard, notes, quick commands, everything right there, they're basically fan favorites, right? And the potential downsides, I would say, only is like there's no Windows support yet. There's still a wait list though. And the focus feature actually requires Pro subscription, which some might not justify. And some users still prefer Alfred's existing automation features. And for the final verdict, guys, is Raycast Focus worth it? Well, yes, if you struggle with distractions and you need a structured focus session, and probably if you already use Raycast and you want seamless workflow integration, and if you're willing to pay $8 a month for the added benefits of Raycast Pro, go ahead for it. You know, I think it's way worth it. Being productive and not procrastinating, it's worth, to me, it's worth more than $8, right? But not if you're fine using free tools like the Max built-in focus mode or browser extensions. You know, you only need Raycast basic features, then don't need to upgrade. Like if you just need a clipboard snippets, you don't need it. But bottom line, if you're serious about productivity, you're already in the Raycast ecosystem, it's a game changer. But however, you know, the casual users, they might not find the pro subscription necessary just for this feature. If you're serious about productivity, go for it. So I hope this review was of help to you. And if was, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.